चलो। आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। मैं क्लास स्टार्ट कर लूँ। तो एक एक बेसिक चीज़ पढ़ते हैं, स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये चलते हैं व्हाट आर द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। और okay, so firstly we'll start with the concept of quadratic equation, and then we will move on to the concept of solving the quadratic equation. Okay, so here we are having two methods. First one is prime factorization method, or second one is, we can say, mm, second one is we are using quadratic formula. Now सबसे पहले अब इस quadratic formula में we will discuss about the concept of discriminant, and then we will discuss about the concept of nature of roots, and then we will move on to the concept of equation reducible to क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, जो कि सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, वो हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले डिस्कस करते हैं व्हाट इज क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। सो यू नो द टू टर्म्स। ओके, फर्स्ट वन इज मोनोमियल, okay, second one is binomial, and third one is trinomial. Okay, monomial means we are having only one term. I can represent this one as 2x, 2y, 2xy. These three things are called as monomial. If I'm writing binomial, it will be represented as x plus y, x square plus yz plus x cube plus yz yx, and we can say this one is z square. Now if I'm discussing about trinomial, it will goes like we are having three terms here. First one will be written as x plus y plus z. Second one can be written as x square plus y square plus z square. Third one can be written as x square plus 2x plus 3. So if you can see all these, we are discussing about the concept of monomial, binomial and trinomial. अब अगर तुम trinomial देखोगे, so in trinomials we are having three terms, and here we can see there are three variables. If you can see, if you can observe the second equation, second one, again we are having the three variables, but in the third one we are having three terms. Okay, but the variable that you can observe, that is written as x. Okay, so if you can write it here, I will write it as x square plus 2x plus 3, and here it is represented as kitne terms, that is three terms. Okay, and variables, we can say one variable, and if I can say three terms and one variable, I will say this one turns out to be a trinomial. Again, since we are having only one variables, but the power that you can see, the highest power, that is x to the power, like here we are having two powers, that is x to the power 1 and x to the power 2. Since the highest power is given as 2, so what we can say, we are having a quadratic equation in which the highest power is given as 2. Okay, now, so what is the general form that we will say? General form will always be equal to a x square plus bx plus c. Okay, so this is a quadratic expression. Okay, this is a quadratic expression. Once we will include equal to 0, or we can say a x square plus bx plus c, that is equal to 0. This will be called as quadratic equation. Okay, this will be called as quadratic equation. Okay, now first thing that you can see, what is the coefficient of x square, that is equal to a. What is the coefficient of x? I can write this one as b, and last one that is written as constant term, I can write this value as c. Okay, so coefficient of x square can be written as a, coefficient of x can be written as b, and the constant term that we can see, that is equal to c. Now, since if you can see, there are the highest power is equal to 2, which means that if I can find the value of roots, that is also equal to 2. So maximum roots that you can find, that is equal to 2, and the highest power, that is equal to 2 again. Now, so this is the basic theory that we are having for quadratic equation. अब हम लोग चलते हैं सबसे पहले how to solve this quadratic equation. Now, firstly, I am giving you some questions, like, and you have to tell me whether this one is called as quadratic equation or not. So I'm giving you first one, that is 2x square plus root of x plus c, that is equal to 0. Can we say this one is quadratic equation? No. Why? Because the root x is the term which turns out this one as the non-polynomial equation. Since here we are having the x to the power 1 by 2. Since we are having the x to the power 1 by 2, so क्या कह सकते हैं इसको? This one will not termed as the quadratic equation. Why? Because the x here we are having the value as x to the power 1 by 2. So ये कभी quadratic equation होगा ही नहीं. ठीक है, चलो अब हम लोग चलते हैं नेक्स्ट पे, दैट इज 3x स्क्वायर plus 4x plus 7y, that is equal to 0. If you can observe here, we are having, since there are two variables, okay, two variables, so we can't term this one as quadratic equation. So this is not quadratic equation. This is not quadratic equation. Okay, since there are two variables, so we can't say this one is a quadratic equation. Okay, now you have to tell me what are the, okay, अब हम लोग चलेंगे main and important thing, that is standard form of quadratic equation. Standard form क्या होती है? That is ax square plus bx plus c, that is equal to 0. This is called as standard form of quadratic equation. Now, if I want to find what is the ओके। अब मेरे पास एक एग्जांपल है, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3x plus 2, okay, and that is equal to 0. You have to tell me what is the coefficient of x square. I can say that is equal to a. What is the coefficient of b? That is equal to, or we can say coefficient of x. I can say this one is b. What is the coefficient of, or we can say what is the constant term here. So a की value क्या हो गई? That is equal to 1. B की value we can write this one as 3. C की value we can write this one as 2. Okay. So these all are the values that we are having for the quadratic equation. Done. अब हम लोग चलेंगे next question पे. So if I'm writing x square plus 5x plus 6 that is equal to 0, I can write a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 6. Next question, if I'm writing x square minus of 7x plus 9 that is equal to 0. I can write the value of a that is equal to 1. I can write the value of b that is equal to minus 7. I can write the value of c that is equal to plus of 9. Last one, that is if I'm writing x square minus of x square minus of 7x plus of 9 that is equal to 0. I can write the value of a that is equal to minus 1. I can write the value of b that is equal to minus 7 and I can write the value of c that is equal to 9. One more question, if I'm writing x square minus of 7x minus of 9 plus 8 is equal to 0. So firstly we will add all the constant here. So here you will write this one as x square minus of 7x minus of 1 that is equal to 0. So a is equal to, we can write this one as 1, b is equal to, we can write this one as minus of 7, c is equal to, we can write this one as minus of 1, and hence you will get this value. Done. So these all are the things that we are having for the quadratic equation. Okay, so अब एक important terms लिख लो. So every quadratic equation has two variables, or we can say two unknowns. Why? Because since we are having the power as 2, which states that there are two well, roots that is given in the question. Okay, अब हम लोग चलते हैं, पहले एक क्वेश्चन करेंगे, उसके बाद फिर इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है, अब हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से कैसे रूट्स निकालते हैं. ओके, सो वी विल सॉल्व द इक्वेशन यूजिंग प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. सो स्टार्ट करते हैं. इफ यू कैन सी, पहला क्वेश्चन बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, दैट इज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस 6 दैट इज इक्वल टू 0. इसके लिए क्या करेंगे, we will take the 6. इसके firstly we will discuss about one most important concept, that is x plus a multiply with x plus b. We all know how to multiply x plus a and x plus b. So firstly we will multiply x with x, multiply x with b, multiply a with x, multiply a with b. Here you will get the value as x into x, x square, x into b, xb, a into x, ax, a into b, ab, that is equal to 0. From this value you can get the value as x square. If I'm taking x common, you will get the value as b plus a, and here you will get the value as plus of ab, that is equal to 0. Now if you can observe, x square plus 5x plus 6, अब इन दोनों को ऑब्जर्व करो, मतलब a और b को मल्टीप्लाई किया तो क्या वैल्यू आ गई 6. उसी a और b को तुम किस फॉर्म में लिखोगे, एडिशन के फॉर्म में लिखोगे तो क्या वैल्यू आ जाएगी 5. उसी a और b को एडिशन के फॉर्म में लिखोगे तो 5 आ जाएगी, और उसी वैल्यू को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो क्या आ जाएगी 6 आ जाएगा. तो मतलब 6 को तुम बाइफरकेट करना है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 3 मल्टीप्लाई विद 2. अब क्यों किया मैंने, क्योंकि 3 और 2 को ऐड करोगे यू विल गेट द वैल्यू एज 5x. सो आंसर विल बी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3x प्लस 2x प्लस ऑफ 6 दैट इज इक्वल टू 0. अब मैं क्या किया, x कॉमन ले लिया, x कॉमन ले लिया, x प्लस 3 हो गया, 2 कॉमन ले लिया, x प्लस 3 हो गया. यू विल गेट इट एज इक्वल टू 0. सो वैल्यू आ गई x प्लस 2 मल्टीप्लाई विथ x प्लस 3 दैट इज इक्वल टू 0. अब इसके बाद वाले स्टेप्स इंपॉर्टेंट है. स्टेप्स क्या है? x plus 3 should be equal to 0 or x plus 2 that is equal to 0. From there you are getting the value of x that is equal to minus 3, or you are getting the value of x that is equal to minus 2. So you are getting two values. Either you are getting the value of x that is equal to minus 3, or we are getting the value of x that is equal to minus of 2. And that's how we will use the concept of splitting the middle term. ठीक है? This is the first question for you. Second question I am giving you again. So if you can see here, x to x square minus of 7x minus of 39, that is equal to 0. Okay, so for that what we'll do, we will multiply minus 39 and 2. What you will get? You will get 2 multiply with minus of 39. Okay, or we can write this one as 2 multiply with minus of 3 multiply with 13. Okay, this one you will get. Is there any other option? Or we can say this one is, if I'm getting this value, if I'm not wrong, this one is equal to minus of 6 multiply with 30. अब इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? सो यहाँ पे तुम्हारे पास माइनस 7x है और माइनस 6 और 13 ऐड करोगे तो कितनी वैल्यू आ जाएगी? माइनस 6 प्लस 13 करोगे, यू विल गेट द वैल्यू एज 7. बट वी वांट व्हाट? वी वांट minus 7. For that what we'll do, we will take 6 and another one we will take minus of 13. Once you will take 6 minus 13, you will get the value as minus of 7. Okay, मतलब 2x square को you can write this one as plus of 6x minus of 13x minus of 39, that is equal to 0. Once you will take x common, here you will get x plus 3. Here you will take minus 3 common, here you will get x plus 3, that is equal to 0. So here you are getting the value of 2x minus 13 and x plus 3, that is equal to 0. So you are getting the value of x is equal to either 13 by 2, or you are getting the value of x that is equal to minus of 13. So this is the value that you will get. X is equal to 13 by 2 and x is equal to minus of 13. Okay, x is equal to 13 by 2 and x is equal to minus of 13, that you will get. अब इससे क्या फ़ायदा हुआ? इससे हमारे पास दो वैल्यू x की निकल के आई. दिस इज द, एंड वी कैन से these two values are the roots of the quadratic equation. These two values are called as roots of the quadratic equation. अब चलते हैं हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इजी है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा हुआ है? यू विल गेट द वैल्यू एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 5x. इसके रूट्स निकालने हैं. तो आई कैन राइट all the values on one side, that is x square minus 5x, that is equal to 0. Now if I will take x common, you will get x minus 5 and that is equal to 0. So you are getting the value of x that is equal to 0 or x is equal to 5. Okay, from both sides we are getting the value of x that is equal to 0 and x is equal to 5. Now next question, if you can see, next question I can write this one as x square minus x square, that is equal to 16. So if you can write this one x square minus of 16, that is equal to 0. I can write this one as x plus 4 multiply with x minus 4, that is equal to 0. So x plus 4 you will get the value of 0, or x minus 4 you will get the value of 0. Now if you can expand, you will get this one as x is equal to minus of 4, or you will get x is equal to 4. Okay, now these two value that you are getting, that is the value of x that we will get for another equation. Okay, clear? अब आते हम लोग एक नए क्वेश्चन पे. नया क्वेश्चन है that is x by x minus 1 plus x minus 1 upon x, that is equal to 5 by 2. We will take the LCM, x into x minus 1, x into x, x square, x minus 1 और x minus 1 का होल स्क्वायर. इसको लिखेंगे x square plus 1 minus of 2x. Okay, and in denominator you will write 5 sorry x into x minus 1 का whole square. What you will do? Okay, what you will do? You will write this one as 2x to the power 2 plus 1 minus of 2x multiply with 2, that is equal to 5x multiply with x minus 1. Solve karo, you will get the value as 5x square minus of 5. Okay, here you will get 2 2s are 4, 4x square plus 2, 2 1s are 2 minus 2 2s are 4, that is equal to, we can write this one as 5x square minus of 5. You will take all the x value on one side, all the constant value on one side. So 2 plus 5, you will get the value as 7. I can write the value as, यहाँ पे मैं लिख देता हूँ 2 और 5. This one we can write. तो इसकी वैल्यू आ गई तुम्हारे पास. ओके, बस क्या करना है, उसके बाद फिर हमारे पास सारी एक वैल्यू को एक साइड लिखेंगे. दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 प्लस 3, 2 प्लस 5, यू विल गेट द वैल्यू एज 7. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है 4x स्क्वायर. आई विल राइट दिस वन एज, फर्स्टली आई विल राइट 4x स्क्वायर, सेकेंडली आई विल राइट 2 और इधर आ गया 5. यू विल गेट दिस वन एज 7. फिर आ गया माइनस 5x, वो उस साइड चला जाएगा. दैट इज इक्वल टू 9x. Okay, and hence you will get an equation from this. Once you will get the equation, just solve this equation and you will get the value of x. So these all are the things that you have to do in the quadratic equation. So basic है, basic चीज़ें समझ में आ गई हो तो हम लोग आगे proceed करेंगे. आज के सेशन में हम लोग को बस इतना ही पढ़ना है. Understanding about the question or concept of quadratic equation. In next class we will discuss about the main important concept, that is how to find zeros of the quadratic equation. So let's meet in the next class. Bye everyone. Good night everyone.